What's up, YouTube? I know it's a hot minute since I uploaded. I'm not sure how long this video is gonna be, but right now I'm gonna go to Tempe in the Z. I just did a quick little TikTok, even though yeah, it's dirty, but let's see what I can do. Create at least something. Usually Sundays it's a hit and miss for car meets here in Arizona, especially in a hot weather. But yeah, see you guys soon.
Fuck them, they will drop down, hit them with it hot now, pistol grip and block down, blade will make them rock, stick the metal in them hot, let the ball my rig it hot.
Made it here in Tempe. This kind of gives me some old vibes from where I used to live, minus with the top thing. So first, these cars, that fit's pretty nice. So is that Fiat. Now it's starting to pop up. That M4, it's clean. The Mini, the modifier, this Durango. That Volkswagen has like a pop tune. The Soul Car Crew right there. A Genesis with the V8 and a rare. Look at a clean Mach 1 with red on black accents and silver paint. This thing's nice. Side. And no GE clips. I remember seeing these back in my middle school through high school, especially in this color. They bring a lot of memories. Check that out. I was about to leave and they have LC Performance cars right here.
And I was on my brakes when I needed to. I wasn't even off the time. I'm like, oh my god.
I like these wagons. What's up, YouTube? This is part 2 of the video, or 3, I can't remember. But right now I'm going to a car meet. It looks like a monsoon might start to come, or a thunderstorm. But depending on what there is, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be at least be something cool. So yeah, I'm gonna record some cool cars and hang out with some friends. So see you in a bit. Peace out. YouTube editing into action. I'm here at the meet. I'm gonna see where the rest of the park is. I parked over here with Brad, Z, and his new Civic that he got after the other one broke down. If you want to follow him, he's pretty known here in Arizona. So Z Sports Beat. And this is his little EK coupe. I can teach them for sure. This is a Civic I haven't seen around. Carbon front fenders, nice wheels, DSRs it looks like, big spoiler, sedan. This is how I would like to have nice if I had one. Then there's the host. Right hand drive, it looks to be like JZX 100 or JZX 90. And Sam Epic. And one of Z's friends with the Corvette. I'll see you across. The meat's still popping. First to see him. My phone's blurry. Z's still here. Yeah, this video keeps cutting off on me due to space. I'm gonna just make this video quick and upload it. Yeah, monsoon car meet. Expect that on this vlog, number 4 or whatever number I am at. YouTube right now. I'm currently in Scottsdale in Strat's Pizza. I'm going to give it a shot. Check out his car. Pizza location. Yes, it's easier.